Hello. This is Teacher Gesner. As I always say, as a Python, as a software engineer, I also teach English. When I'm teaching English, I don't really use, you know, physical books. I use software. I build my software and I teach. I build books like Let's Learn Medical Terminology with Gesner. Let's Learn French with Gesner. Let's Learn Spanish with Gesner. I can build you any book to teach on this platform to your audience. You see what I mean? So let me show you a demonstration before you can, whatever you want to do, you can contact me. All right. So this is um, this book. It has, I said, let's learn medical terminology with Gesner. It's got 20 lessons. It has 20 lessons. Okay, and it's got conversations. I'm gonna make you listen to one conversation, and then I will go.
Good morning, Mrs. Johnson. What brings you in today? I'd like to ask about prescription and physical exam.
Buenos días, señora Johnson. ¿Qué la trae hoy? Me gustaría preguntarle sobre prescription y physical exam.
He tenido prescription y physical exam durante 3 días. I've had prescription and physical exam for 3 days.
Okay, so this is the way. This book is for medical. It's for translators, medical translators. Okay, you want to practice. You want a space where you can practice your medical terminology, and you don't have any book. You don't have any book just to help you practice the environment of translation. That topic. It's medical. Let's say now all these medical terms, I only put only their pronunciation with no definition. You can just, if you don't know their definition, you just go and then copy them and check them on other platform to see their definition. I also have another one for beginner where I put the definition in French. Okay, so let me show you. This is the pronunciation only you're gonna hear.
Prescription.
Prescription, blood pressure,
Blood pressure.
medical history,
Medical history.
okay, and wound.
Wound.
Okay, let's take the last one, heart.
Heart.
Okay, so this is just Nadelan, and that was the terminology part, that was the conversation part, and I put a little crease there too for you to answer certain questions after this class. And then there are some notes there too, you can go and read. Okay, so this is just Nadelan. This is my software. I built it to teach. I can build any software to teach anything. Okay, so um yeah, that's it. And this is Let's Learn Medical Terminology with Gesner. If you want to teach your science just the way I'm doing English, just get in touch with me, and then you will tell me what you need in your book. You can do the same thing. Okay, you can open your window. You can display this interface of the screen where myself I put the global internet that by the name of my company. You can do the same thing. Okay, so see you next for the rest, and then your book will be open on your left. Okay, so maybe tomorrow I'll come back with another book. Get in touch with me if you want to teach English like that, if you want to teach French like that, if you want to teach Spanish like that. I can build you a book like that too. Okay? Just tell me the content you want in them. Sou bezon liv kon sa, fè kontak avem, lo ap ensegnye anglais, lo ap ensegnye français, lo ap ensegnye mathématique. Ou ka fon liv ba ou kon sa, ou pa bezon vire kamera, anik ouvel jon wè m fè live, ou ap ensegnye wap mwen, m ka met ou djou la dan pou, m ka met exercice mathématique yo, exercice physique jongle, quel que soit matière qui existe qui dans l'école, ok, qui dans l'école, bien que l'université, whatever. On a créé logiciel là, et pour même au travail, comme ça, avec quel que soit côté, on fait live. Ok? So, nous, je nous tape dire, nous travaillons sur le projet Gesner AI, et nous créé propre modèle par nous, nous fait le grandir, même avec tout le programme, nous avons cherché créer propre modèle par eux. So, by the way, just a global internet that by myself as representing, I'm doing, I'm preparing my own AI called Gesner AI. Okay, where we're gonna be doing like I'm gonna be doing like training. Okay, so see you next for the rest. Bye bye.